So today I will present what is pattern in nature, types of patterns, and some example of patterns. Patterns that you can see in nature are visible regularities of form found in the natural world such as symmetry, spiral, and fractal. First, we have symmetry. Symmetry is an exact correspondence of form and constituent configuration on opposite sides of a dividing line or a center or an axis. Now is a spiral. These are curved patterns made by series of circular shapes revolving around a central point. And the fractals. These are never-ending patterns that are self-similar across different scales. The image just reappears over and over again.